Okay, Farah, now you can start.
Okay, sir. So good evening, everyone. Today we will discuss about the data visualization. But before discussing about the data visualization, I will first tell you a little bit of its history. Okay. So can anybody tell me who is this person in the slide? Anything about these two people? People from economics background, I think, know they are very well aware about the first person. So, can anybody tell me the name of this person?
Is it Adam Smith?
Is it what? Devapan, I can't hear you.
Adam Smith.
No, 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 no. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, so there is a history of data visualization, and I am there are many people who have used data visualization in the past for the different reasons. But I'm considering these two people. So the first one is William Playfair, and the first one. So he has published Commercial and Political Atlas in 1786, where he used bar charts and line graphs for the first time to explain England's economy. Okay, so it was one of the earliest example of turning numbers into easy visuals for the public. The second one, I think everybody knows about her. Can you name her? Can you tell me the name of this lady? Florence Nightingale. Okay. So Florence Nightingale also created the rose diagram, a spatial circular chart you can see in the PPT to show that most deaths in military hospitals were due to preventable diseases, not battle wounds. Her clear vision convinced the government to improve hospital hygiene, saving thousands of lives. Okay. And now today, like in today's world, we are using data visualization for simplifying complex data. So why have I have shared the history with you? Because it shows that the data visualization has always been a powerful tool for communication and real world change. Okay, now I'll discuss with you about the practical of today's practical. So you all are having NEP data course uh, data, okay, data set. So now what you have to do, I have posted 1 hour script on Google Classroom. Please paste it in your R Studio. Let me show you. This, please you paste it here. This whole thing, okay? And I'll explain you one by one the script, okay? Now you all know how to paste it in the R script. Everybody knows? Devapan, Manuela Man, Mona Lisa, you all know how to paste the script from the Google Classroom in the R Studio. Yes or no? Or any confusion? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you know. Okay. So you please paste this thing in the R script. And now, first, the main data is NEP data course. This is your data, NEP data course. Okay. This is your data. So in this data, you will find character data also. You will find numeric data also. Now what we're gonna do, we will discuss about the character data today for the visualization, data visualization. So first is NEP data character. You all have made a vector in the last class for it. This is NEP data character. So this you will run and you will find that there is current qualification level, region, stakeholder type, concerns expressed, access to digital device, internet connectivity. Okay. Now let me show you name. when we write names and when we write NEP data character, so in this way you will get all the names, okay, of this particular variable. So these are the names. And this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are telling you the position of that particular uh, data of that vector. Okay. So first is NEP teacher ID, then second is NEP school ID, third is NEP region, fourth is. So this position will help you to extract the data. Now, in the second part, we are extracting the data today in a different way. Okay. Yeah, in the last class, we have used 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like positions we have used. But today we will use a different method. Okay. So this is the different method. The next is this thing. So you will find that I have created one new vector, NEP education. Okay, EDU, edu. And NEP data character is my main is my vector where all the character data are there. Okay, all the character data you will find in NEP data character. So dollar sign will tell you the list. Like let me write down here again. So when I use this dollar sign will give me the list. Okay. So now I have to put qualification into this vector. So I will put it in this way. So this is called extraction. So I have given you one assignment on this in the previous on the basis of previous class. So in this way, you have to extract the data. You have to first create a vector. Vector means any name for the file, and then you have to use the one second. This thing is coming. You have to use this main data, and with the dollar sign, you have to create it like this. Now, when I write NEP edu, you will find only qualification. Okay, so this is called extraction. Now everybody have understood what how we do extraction? Any doubt?
Ma'am, I'm facing some problems here.
What what
Ma'am, which is
problem?
like you have written names, NEP character data, and then this is coming like NEP dot teachers ID or and etc etc. So when I am putting it, so it's showing me error code. So
What
is
error
it
is coming?
anything which I have missed out?
The library site package have you used?
Ma'am, will I share my screen?
Yeah, please share. Please share your screen.
Can you make me the host? Otherwise, I'm not able to share the screen.
Hmm. Okay, sir, Devapan wants to share the screen. Can you please allow him?
Yeah, now he can use.
Okay. Devapan, yeah, you can share your screen.
Ma'am, like here, when I have written like any names, NEP data character, so then
Yes,
these
because
one
yeah,
error
your
means
back,
current
huh,
qualification
sorry,
level and all this is
huh.
coming, but
Devapan, your
not
vector,
the
yes, your vector name
format
is
of
NEP data character.
your screen or the format
Huh.
of your.
Go down, scroll
Yes.
down. Scroll down, extreme down. Your vector
Okay.
name was different. That is the thing.
Okay.
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 I think you have made with a different
So is
character,
it
with a
fine?
different name.
Is this
Your voice
fine?
is breaking. Your voice is breaking, Devapan. I'm unable to hear you. You scroll down. This names NEP character data. So you are writing the wrong vector name. Okay, your vector name is not that.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a minor problem. Okay. So if the vector name is incorrect, suppose your name is Devapan and I am calling you Abhishek, so you will not
Yes,
respond to
yes.
me, right? So this is what
Yes.
software also do. If I want to see the data of character and I am
Yes.
writing data of numeric, so software will not respond to me. Okay. So it's a minor
Yes, ma'am.
problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Now so this is now NEPSU. So in this way, we do the extraction. We create a name, any name on the basis of your understanding. You create a name equal to, and then where the data has been installed, you use that vector name and then put the dollar sign and use that particular data which you want to extract from the main data. Use that title, select that particular name and click it, and then you will get this thing. So now your new vector is NEP edu, where you will see all the qualifications. Okay.
Just a minute, I'm not done.
Not done, Manula. What happened?
I think I have made some mistakes somewhere.
Some mistakes are there. And now in the assignment, okay, Manula, I'll give you a chance also. Now you all are telling me that in the assignment you have not understood the first part. So in the first part, I'm asking you to extract the training hours completed data, right? So how will you do? How will you extract the training hours completed data? Can anybody tell me, guide me
I
here?
understood the first part. The first part. Just the top question. And it's not coming also. Name tag.
Ma'am, the first question is
The top part.
okay. One second. The question is okay. So code, how you have uploaded the NEP data course?
So,
1A, 1B. How you have uploaded the NEP data course? I have shown you yesterday now how to upload the file read.table, right? So that script, that code you have to write down in the assignment section. The next part is extract the values of the variables training hours completed. So training hours completed in your NEP data course. First, you see names of NEP data course, this thing, and now you want to extract this thing. So how will you extract?
I think NEP names NEP data course. But
What, ma'am? What are you telling?
it's not coming.
This is your main, the data set that you have uploaded in the last class. That is the name of your that data. Okay, NEP data course. I'm talking about assignment. So this is the main vector.
No,
So,
Farah, possibly Madam has not saved the file.
ma'am, I have asked you to
I
save the
have
file.
the file. I have the file.
Then what is the problem, ma'am?
Yes,
Can
yes.
you please
They are,
share?
I mean, actually, the point is, okay. So
Huh.
I have the, but actually on the right hand side, the qualifications, current qualification training is actually there. I cannot find the number.
The number. Okay. Number is this 110, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these are the numbers.
Okay, okay, like that. Okay, okay.
Can you see the numbers here?
This is a character data.
Huh.
NEP calculator is not coming. They are saying that error object NEP calculator not found.
Ma'am, you share your screen first. Share your screen of our studio.
Ma'am, I think it's the same problem as I was having. Means it
Yeah.
was, I think it
The
was NEP data character and NEP character data. That's what maybe.
okay. Let me see the problem because I think she will not understand otherwise. Okay. Ma'am, see. Okay. NEP character data is not found. Okay. So your you please go up. Your I think NEP data character is the name. Go up.
Yeah.
You go up in the 1 second. NEP data character. See, you
Oh,
have used NEP data character. So now you write names NEP data character. Please remember all the names of your vector that you are creating. Okay.
Okay, Farah, you tell that is you click the environment. The right side there is environment.
Yes,
There,
but they will. It will or more. It will confuse them more because they are not able to remember the vector names. So they
huh.
will click one by one, and it will just waste their time.
Okay, so
So,
now you
uh,
get it the data.
uh,
Now,
uh. So see, ma'am, like I said, you are using the wrong name. So you first check the name of your vector. Okay. Otherwise, software will not respond to you. So when I'm talking about character data, you check what name you have given that particular data set. So you have given NEP data character. Okay. I have given NEP data. I'm also using NEP data character, but I think you are writing NEP character data, not NEP data character. So this is the very minor mistake. Okay. So these mistakes are disturb you. So you have to remember the script also. The That is why we are asking you to save the script. Okay. Got it? Sorted? Now let me share my screen. Ma'am, you stop sharing your screen. Okay. Now the next thing. Huh. So Abhi, in the assignment also we have asked you to extract the data. So I'm asking you to extract this particular data. So first you have to check the names of the main data, then training hours completed. So here you will make one vector training hours completed, NEP data course, dollar, and then training hours completed. In this way, you will extract the data. So this particular code you have to write. Okay. In this way, you complete the other for the other variables. Okay. Okay, everyone. Devapan, Manula ma'am, Mona Lisa, understood how to extract the data?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Understood.
Okay. So this is one. And now, Abhi, today we are focusing on the data visualization. So Abhi, we have extracted the qualification data. Now, the next step is frequency. So for the frequency, this we will run. Okay. So this is the vector that I have created. Nep edu frequency equal to table nep edu. Nep edu is my main vector where all the qualification is there. And nep edu frequency is the new vector. And table is for frequency. So now let me check nep edu frequency. So this you will get, okay? B.Ed, M.Ed, PhD. So B.Ed 9 means 9 people in the data sets are they have B.Ed degrees, and 8 people have M.Ed degrees, and PhDs are 4. Okay, got it? Now we will do the visualization of this frequency. So we will use bar plot. Can anybody tell me what is bar plot? I'll show you. I'll run this and then I will ask. Okay. Let me run this. So this is how the bar plot looks like. So can anybody tell me what is bar plot?
Actually, the bar diagram.
Yes, it is a diagram that is correct. But what it is, why we use bar plot? We can use pie chart also, but why we are using bar plot? What is the function of bar plot or bar chart? In the script you will find that there we have mentioned what is a bar plot. Can anybody read out for me?
Ma'am, I have another problem here.
Yes. What is the problem?
Actually, I cannot, I mean, the NEP edu, that data, current of the qualification level, that is not coming.
Okay, Manila ma'am, now you start sharing your screen. Okay, I'll use you as a demonstrator today. You share your screen. I'll guide you. Please share your screen. Yeah. Oh. And the screen is very small. Ma'am, see what? Okay, you are writing this thing. Training hours, extracting. Okay, ma'am, for training hours, wala point na is for your assignment. Okay, you don't write that up right now. You remove that training hours and remove it. This is just for the assignment part. Okay, now we will focus. Now you write. Now you show me the. You select this one. 44 line.
But
44 line. 44.
actually, the frequency distribution has not come.
NEP edu frequency. It is coming. You write NEP in the console section. You write NEP edu FREQ. In the console. Yeah. NEP frequency. Second one. Select the second. Yeah. Click. Enter.
Just this and enter.
Just enter. So, ma'am, when you people say na it is not coming, when you say it is not coming, means the red part is coming. Red part means the error. When there is no red part is coming, means everything is going in a right direction. Okay. So it is coming, but it's just that you are not checking the vector. Okay. You have that NEP edu frequency equal to table NEP edu is the code. Now you have to check what is there in that particular file. NEP edu frequency is your file. So you have to write down NEP edu frequency. Then it will come. Okay. Now the next part is bar plots. Click on the run the 44th line of your script. Yeah, run this. Run. Now tell me what is this? What it is telling you?
Actually, they are showing the number of people who have got B.Ed, M.Ed, or PhD degree.
Your screen. Yeah.
Here you have the frequencies.
It is showing B.Ed, M.Ed, PhD. Very good. So why it can be shown through pie chart also. Why are we using bar plot? What is the function of bar plot actually?
Bar plot is actually used to compare.
Hmm.
In pie chart, we actually represent them as percentage of the whole. I
Right.
don't think that we need.
And there is a this thing also, the like you can see the bars. The bars has a height also.
Yes.
Okay. So this thing you can in this way you can describe the bar plot, and there is a definition also given in 43rd line. Can you please read out for everyone? 43rd line.
Achha. A bar plot shows data in categories with bars whose heights or lengths are proportional to the values they represent.
Okay, categories. So there are three categories: B.Ed, M.Ed, PhD. Okay, and this is the height. Okay, so B.Ed का कितना by just looking at the bar plot, uh, what is the height of B.Ed? What number it's showing?
It's more than 8 that is showing, but it's not
Huh,
properly
that,
measured. So
correct. So that is why more than 8 it is showing. So to see the correct frequency, the number, you will, if we have done this NEP edu frequency. B.Ed में see you are in the console section only. You will see B.Ed is 9. So you will see that 8 से ऊपर जा रहा है this thing. Okay. M.Ed is 8. Then PhD is 4. Okay. So in this way, we'll show the bar plot of NEP education frequency. Now, Abhi, this bar plot is very incomplete. Okay, this is not a very proper bar plot. Now we will make it proper. So, ma'am, you select the 45th line. 46, sorry, 46th line. Yeah, 46th line, you please select the whole line. Yes, you run. Please run. Huh. Now, where is this? Huh. Abhi, what difference you can, what
if
is
the
the
chart has
difference?
a
Huh.
heading and the
Huh.
axes are defined.
Correct, correct. Now we have labeled the bar plot x-axis, y-axis, and we have given the title for the bar plot. There is a color also. So when you write bar plot, bracket, the name of your vector, after that there is a comma and you are writing main equal to frequency distribution of education null qualification. So this main you use to write the title of your bar plot. Main. And inverted commas are there because you are writing the random textual you are using textual language. This is not related to any code. You are writing your own words. So that is why it is in inverted commas. Now there is a comma, then col you all know color. Y lab, x lab is x axis, y axis, and in this way this bar plot is complete. Okay, now it is looking beautiful, right? And it is showing the complete information of the bar plot. Okay. Now the next line. Ma'am, you please आप थोड़ा अच्छे से
Ma'am,
दिखाएगा मुझे. Yes, yes, Devapan.
ma'am, there is one question is that suppose we are doing a bar plot,
Hmm.
and suppose I want to have different colors for B.Ed,
Hmm.
M.Ed, and PhD. So then, what should we give? What command should we give here in this section of the bar means in
Sure,
this
sure.
section
In
of
the
the
when we move on to the other code na, I will show you okay how we will use different colors. Okay. For abhi ke liye this much is okay. I'll show you. The code is there.
Sure.
Okay. I will show you. Yeah. but one by one, because all are not very not very fast in learning. Okay, so
No,
one
no,
by
I
one.
got one. I'm
हाँ,
sorry.
हाँ, got it? Okay, so abhi ke liye this much information is okay. I will tell you in this particular script that the code is there. Okay, now we will see the pie chart. So ma'am, you select your 48th line. Yeah, 48th line. Yeah. Select the whole line. No, ma'am. 40, no, ma'am, only 48th line I want.
Oh,
48th line only. Select. Go. Ma'am, only 48. So, Devapan, can you see the code here for different colors? Abhi ma'am will run
Yes,
and
ma'am.
she will show you this.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the code?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the code? Can you tell me what is the code for different colors?
The column which is the column equals to C and brackets red, green, and yellow. This is the code. Yes, got it.
So now this is for pie chart. So pie chart ko we are
Yes.
showing in different colors. Okay. MED के लिए we are using different, PED के लिए using different, PhD के लिए we are using different. So can anybody tell me about pie chart? It is very easy. Why are we using pie chart to show the frequency distribution of educational qualification? We have used bar plot also, and now we are using pie chart. Why? Any difference you can make out between pie chart and bar plot? Any difference?
Pie chart I has particularly used for like the visualization of the percentages distributed among the
Hmm.
among the variables that we have taken. Uh, for B8, suppose it is 20 means 30% or 50%. So through pie chart, it becomes much more easier to
Hmm.
understand rather than a bar chart.
Okay, so for you, pie chart is
That's
a
what I think.
good catch. Okay, good. And there is also we have given the information regarding the pie chart that it is a circular statistical graphic divided into slices. Okay, these are the slices. You all please focus on the terminology. Terminology क्या है pie chart की? Slices. These are slices. Okay. Circular statistical. These are the terminology that you have to use. Okay, because now you are studying statistics. So statistics की भी एक language है. You cannot just tell कि हाँ ma'am this is for the percentage thing. Okay, but these are slices. Okay, circular statistics. In bar you will see the bars, that is called bar. Okay, those big length wale thing is called bar. That is why it is called bar plot. That is why this is called pie chart. Okay, pie की slices जैसा. Okay. So now I'll show you the percentage. You said कि it is for percentage distribution. So we will show you कि in pie chart how we will put percentage. So ma'am, you select 50th line. Yeah, 50th line only. 50 number line. Yeah. Please. Okay. Now you, ma'am, just scroll down, little bit scroll down. Ma'am, in the script, little bit. Oh, no, that's it. Now you write NEP edu percent in the console. Enter. Okay. So, now I explain you the code. 100 we have used to convert the proportion into percentage. Okay, 100 is for that. NEP edu frequency, you know what is there in the NEP edu frequency. Some you know. Then NEP edu frequency, comma 1. 1 means to only एक ऐसा ही distribution देगा 1 decimal that it will present. Okay. Round is for round the result to 1 decimal. Okay. So round means what? Round means make the number neat by cutting extra decimals. Okay. And 1 means keep only one number after the decimal point. So Abhi, you can see what is the difference between this B.Ed, M.Ed, PhD and the earlier B.Ed, M.Ed, M.Ed, PhD. What is the difference? Can anybody tell me? I have shown you na B.Ed, M.Ed, ma'am. Just focus on the screen in the console section. We have mentioned 2 times B.Ed, M.Ed, PhD. So what is the difference between these two?
Oh, this last one is the percentage
Huh.
out of the total. I mean, how
Correct.
many, what is the percentage of B.Ed people?
Correct. Correct. And the first one is showing the
It is
number
the
of.
absolute numbers.
Correct, correct. So this is the percentage. Now, ma'am, you select 53rd. 53rd line.
Labels.
Huh. Ma'am, you run. Now we are adding the percentage. So when you write NEP edu percento is your vector name. So percentage sign is there and there are some symbols you will see. So to add those things, we use this code. Okay. Paste labels equal to paste names, your vector name, then this thing. So to add the percentage, this code is there. Okay. Now, yes.
But, just a minute, ma'am. Why do
No.
we add this percentage? It's not showing in the pie diagram.
I'll tell you. Ma'am, now you select 54th line. It will show you.
What?
You select the 54th line. The whole. Yeah. Fifty-fourth, ma'am, only 54th. Only 54th. Run. Now got it? Okay. So in this way, you add percentage, you add different colors. Now we will go to the next thing, stack bar chart for the character data. So ma'am, you select, now you please scroll down, little bit of scroll down. Yeah, ma'am, go up, little bit, go up. Bas. Ma'am, now you select the 56th line. 56th line, yeah. Now run. NEP. Ma'am, NEP data character. Okay. Ma'am, ma'am,
Here I have to change.
in the console, you can correct here also. Yeah, write NEP data character. Data character. Remove this thing. NEP, this thing. A also, yeah. Now run. 56th line you run. Run. Bar plot table NEP. Only read or NEP edu is there, right? Okay, ma'am, you in the this thing in the console section, yeah, in the console section, you write down bar plot table, bar plot,
Table.
bracket, bracket. This thing is not run. Yeah, write the script again. Let me also check why it is not wrong. It is coming in here, so I please in your system. Ma'am, click table. Click on it.
After that,
This thing is coming. Click on the table. Click on the table.
this table.
This table. Now you write NEP data character. Now dollar sign. Dollar. Region. Second number. Ma'am, no, select the region. Select the region.
Watch out.
If you write, then it will go wrong because you're not writing exactly what. Now, comma. Now write NEP edu. Okay. Now enter.
Enter.
Okay. Enter. Now, this is a stack bar chart. So, can you, ma'am, tell me what is now? What is this bar chart? Is what is this bar chart is telling you? Stack bar chart. What kind of information this bar is giving you?
I don't know.
You can read out from the script also. Okay. Can anybody tell me what is going on? What are the variables in this?
Ma'am,
What
it is
variables? Huh.
sorry.
Yeah. Huh. Devapan, you can try.
Ma'am, it is basically a stacked data means bar plot. Uh, what we are trying to implement means represent here
Hmm.
stack bar
Okay.
like use in.
So, okay. So in this thing, in this code, we are using two particular data set. Two data we are using. We are not using one data. We are using two different data. Ma'am, you please write NEP data character dollar region in the console section. Please write. Now dollar region. Select region, the second number. Now enter this. Okay. NEP education, you know what is there
Acha,
in the
acha,
NEP.
acha. Okay, okay,
Uh-huh.
okay, okay.
So there in this stack bar chart, we are using two different data. Okay. One is your educational qualification. One is showing educational qualification. Other data set is showing urban, rural, region wise data. Okay. Now, ma'am, you write only without bar plot. You just write table. Click on table. Click on table. Write NEP data character. Dollar region. Second one. Select the second one. Yeah. Then comma. Then NEP edu. Now enter. Enter. Can you see something?
Okay, 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 okay.
Now it will may help you to understand the data. Can you see?
Yes, yes.
Can anybody tell me? Can anybody explain me this data set?
Ma'am, basically what can I? Ma'am,
Yeah, yeah,
basically
you
what we
can.
are seeing here is that uh,
Yes, Devapal. Please continue.
ma'am, for B.Ed, the rural section is up to 4, and for urban section for B.Ed is like from 4 to 9. We are from here we can see that it is going up to 9. So when we subtract it, so it's 5. Like 9 minus 4 is 5. So till that it is good. What we can interpret from here.
So 4 plus 5 कितना होता है? Can anybody tell me? 4
9.
plus 5. 9. Right? So first bar is telling you what? The count is going more than 8. Right? 9. In the
Black
second,
represents rural and the white represents urban.
yes, ruler is the gray wala part.
Gray.
And
What is
urban,
gray?
urban is more
Urban is
than
the
that. But
black part.
अभी में stack bar chart में we can see अभी stack bar chart को हम लोग थोड़ा सा और इसे proper I will show you. अभी right now I'm just telling you about the data set. Okay, data क्या दिखाया था? Okay, so data, the data is now showing two different categories. One category is showing you about the education, and one category is showing you about the region. Okay, so region wise, we are telling you about the educational qualification of teacher. So in the rural area, you will find 4 B.Ed teachers. In the urban area, you will find 5 B.Ed teachers. Okay. Up, I will show you a proper bar plot where you can easily make out कि gray क्या है, white क्या है, everything you will make out.
Yes.
So ma'am, you select number 69.
69.
60, number 60, you select the number
This
60
one.
line. This. Now you run. NEP teacher. Okay, ma'am, there is a mistake. So, ma'am, you in the console section, there is in your keyboard, there is one upward arrow. Upward arrow.
In my keyboard. Yes.
You click on that in the console section. Click on in the console. In the console. Click now. Press upward. This thing. Now, ma'am, don't enter.
Okay.
Now, ma'am, you have not region. Okay, NEP region. This thing is not. अच्छा, आपने extract नहीं किया उससे पहले. Okay. मैम, अपना R script please दिखाइएगा. I cannot see the R script. Your R script.
What?
R script. Nepdata.r, where you have 61, 62 lines, na? That part you please show. No, not in the console section. In the script section. In the script, ma'am. This you please show. No. Go down. आप ये कर्सर को प्लीज थोड़ा बैक में लेके जाओ. आधा I can see only half data. Okay. You please go little bit up. Little bit. No. In the Now here you have to do this. Extract the data. That point we have missed. Okay.
This one.
First you this one. NEP 58th line. 58th line you do.
Line number 58. Just select this
Line. Select.
and then run.
Then run. It will show the error. Go to the console. Go to the console section. Yeah. This thing is not coming. Ma'am, remove this line from the console section. This bar plot wali
Okay.
line.
This
Remove.
line.
Erase it. Remove it. Whole thing. Backspace. Yeah. Now, ma'am, you press the upward arrow. Ma'am, in this, ma'am, you remove NEP dot region. Remove it. NEP either and dollar के बाद वाला. Remove it. Remove only this one. Now remove dollar also. Just dollar. Now press the dollar sign again. And if okay, remove the dollar
NEP
sign.
data character. I should write NEP data character.
NEP data character. Remove the this thing. Remove character. Now remove dollar and press the dollar. Write the dollar again. The second number region. Now enter.
Enter.
Enter. अभी मैम इन द बार प्लॉट में अभी we will see a grouped bar chart. Okay, so you select number 60 line.
This one.
This will tell you everything in a very nice way. Run. Now, can you see this data? This is called group bar chart. Why we are using this chart? Because the earlier stack bar chart was unable to figure it out कि क्या चीज क्या है. Gray, what is reflecting, what is this thing. So we have used group bar chart because we are using two different categories of data, rural and urban. And then there is a BA emit to show BA emit का frequency. तो अभी you can easily figure it out कि कितना BA में rural side पे है, कितना BA urban side पे है. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
राइट अभी इस कोडिंग को थोड़ा सा हम लोग समझ लेते हैं. कोडिंग में हमने देखा बेसाइड की तरफ है, वो आपके बार्स को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. बेसाइड इक्वल टू टी. कॉलम सी यू नो दैट दिस इज
What
फॉर
is T? What does T stand for?
T
व्हाट इज
stands for true.
ट्रू. या
True. अच्छा.
ओके. लेजेंड रो नेम्स है लेजेंड में. ओके. रो नेम्स आर देयर. And then there is table वगैरह तो you know table is for the frequency. Okay, so this thing is there. Now अभी ma'am you show me your this is called group bar chart. Okay, multiple categories it is shown in a clustered. This is called this is also called a clustered bar chart. We have mentioned it in defining the group bar chart. Okay, now
Ma'am,
yes Devapar.
ma'am, like we have seen, like it is written beside equals to T, which is true. Ma'am, can you please explain a little bit what is the beside function actually doing here?
Beside
Means
means
I'm
side by side.
Side by side.
okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
Side by side. Okay, this is side by side. Okay, got it Devapar? Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. अभी मैम you please show me your R script properly. The cursor is again in the middle. R script, huh? R script is in the run wala column. Run wali screen. Run. Very. This is screen. You please show me properly. The cursor is in always please show the cursor. Now we will see the last plot that is called mistake plot. Ma'am, you run 62 line. This is the last plot. Now you run, ma'am. What is the difference of what
Okay.
difference you will?
So we are getting region-wise bars, which actually is the composite bars showing the three different education qualifications.
Correct. So in this you will see the colors are same. It is more like a contingency table type. रेक्टेंगल है इस बार का. आप देख सकते हो दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल शेप्ड ओके बार. और इसमें यू विल सी पीएचडी 2 2. रूरल में 2, अर्बन में 2. एमएड 4 4 एंड बीएड 4 5. Okay, got it. So what all things we have learned today, what all kind of data, what all kind of visualizations methods we have learned today, how many plots we have used to visualize the data. Can anybody tell me? And please name it.
Bars
Yes.
for pie diagram and this mosaic.
No, more than that.
I mean,
Four.
you are talking about the different types of bars.
Nee, how many
How many plots you have learned today?
plots we have used? How many plots we have used? Total number of plots. We have shown a different plots, na, for the data visualization. We have shown you different plots. So how many plots were there? Please
5
name it
plots.
also. Name it also. Now you know
First
that.
one, The first one was the normal bar plot, which
Normal bar
we
plot.
Hmm.
then it was the pie chart.
Very
Then,
good. Third one.
then the third one was frequency bar plot. Uh, uh, then it was the clustered bar,
No, that is
and
not called
then
frequency bar plot. Please use the terminology properly. Now you know the definition, you know the correct word. Third one is, please check the script. Huh? Please check the script. After pie chart, what is there? What is the name of that bar chart?
Stacked bar chart.
Stacked bar chart. Yeah.
stacked bar chart. Yes,
Stacked bar chart. Because
stacked bar chart.
when you talk to the people who knows about statistics, they will not understand this. They will not understand you. So use the proper terminology. Next is stacked bar chart. After stacked bar chart, which bar chart we have used?
Group bar chart, and then it
Then,
was
then
mosaic
mosaic. Mosaic.
plot.
Very good. Very good. So how many are there?
5 total.
Five. Five. And can anybody tell me the difference between all these things? One difference, common difference, like one एक difference भी बताया तो easy है. And which one you will find the most attractive and easy way to understand the data? Which one you like the most? Which is the easiest
The
plot?
pie,
Which one
the
you
pie
huh,
chart.
pie? Okay, you
Pie.
like the pie. You memo, you also like the pie? Okay.
Yes, but I think it's better. I mean, to properly understand, I think it's the stacked bar chart. It
Stacked bar
gives you
chart.
everything clearly.
Okay, for you, stacked bar chart is a very good method to communicate the data. Very good. Okay, stacked bar chart. And Mona Lisa, which one you like the most? Which one you found very easy? Hello, Mona Lisa, are you there? Okay, Mona Lisa is not there. Okay, okay, okay. So you so Devapan, you like pie chart, but pie mein there is only percentage. Okay, right? There is a
Yes, ma'am.
percentage. So if you want, like Abhi, yesterday in the last class you were discussing about the outliers. So outliers को अगर आपको figure out करना है, so you cannot use pie chart for that. Okay, so that is why
Yes,
we are showing you different kind of data visualization plots so that you can understand ki which plot is a good plot to communicate the data, to help the people to understand the data. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
right? We have shown you different plots, but you told me that pie chart was the easiest one. Ma'am told me stacked bar chart. She will prefer the stacked bar chart. So it depends upon your data, which your the data visualization method. So it depends upon your data actually.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
अगर आपका data pie chart जैसा नहीं है, then don't prefer pie chart. Use other plot. Okay, got it?
Yes,
So,
yes,
Abhi,
yes,
so
ma'am.
coding I'll explain you. Please practice at home. कहीं पे भी red color आए, please ask me. There must be some error. Correct your R script also. The name of the vector is data character. Okay, and region also.
Yes, ma'am.
Region was not region, that is different. NEP region, it is written differently. Okay, so this thing, abhi the
Mhm.
assignment, we will give you the assignment, but first you complete the first assignment properly. Now I've shown you how to
Sure.
extract the data. Okay, so sir,
Yes.
do you want to ask any question to them?
So can you tell me that is which one is very much reflecting the contingency table model? Which plot shows the contingency table?
Sir, the contingency table, as I see here, I think the normal bar means the normal bar chart, as we say. I think that is
No, in case of the contingency, you have to find out the association between the variables. Okay, so two categories of
yeah.
variables are there, and you have to find out the association between two. Therefore, mosaic plot
Then,
is the best
sir,
one. Okay.
yeah. Sir, isn't sir? Can I ask one thing?
Yeah.
Sir, when we see the mosaic plot,
Hmm.
isn't it quite difficult to interpret from here? Means since there are no numbers, neither any percentages. Uh,
No, it shows the frequency. Okay, that is the level particularly. You can
okay.
put the number inside the box. That is also there. You can put the number. Then you have to understand some of the graphical distribution. Later on, we will discuss that one. But now
Okay.
you limit up to this thing. Otherwise, you will be confused.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, there are different graphical parameters are there and their position is there. So you
Yes.
can place the position also. Later on, we will teach you.
Okay. Sure. Sir. Yes.
But always keep in mind that data visualization, first you do the data visualization. After that, you will apply the statistics. Because the data
Okay, sir.
visualization can provide you maximum information about the nature of data. So
Okay, sir.
quality, data
Sir,
quality is
one
important.
more thing.
Yeah, please tell me.
Sorry, sir. You can continue. I just
Yeah, data
sir, one
quality is
more thing.
important.
Suppose we are doing. I'm
Please
sorry, sir.
continue.
I'm just interrupting you in your words because the internet is lagging, so your voice is coming a bit later. Sir, what I wanted to ask was that is suppose we are doing something or we are trying to figure out a data or we want to make a report on some data. Sir, how means through a data set, through an Excel data set, how can we actually visualize a proper means how can we actually visualize how means how to reflect in which graph or you know or which plot how means how can we easily visualize that means how what will be the understanding of us after we look into a data.
Okay, for the Excel, na histogram we usually prefer for the Excel. If you're working in the Excel sheet, yeah.
Yes.
And one thing, today you have learned the categorical data, okay,
Yes.
not the numeric data. So
Okay.
initially, I have taught you that is the data visualization for the categorical data, not
Okay.
the numeric data.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So please you do not confuse with the numeric data and the categorical data.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
today you are limited to the categorical data. First you learn the categorical data. In the next
Yes.
class, we will go to the numeric data.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
You
thank you,
too.
Deepak. Okay. So
So
everyone,
please
yes,
you practice at home
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
by using another data set.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
And
sir.
please resubmit your assignment. Now you all know how to extract the data. Okay. Please
Yes, sir.
resubmit your assignment. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Oh,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Thank you so
Good
much.
night, teachers.
Okay. Good night.